Your mind is a superpower. Either you yield the sword or you allow others control of your reality. We start with reprogramming our subconscious mind. Thank you. Let it be in love. You are the captain of your mind and life. You have a God-given purpose. Therefore, you are powerful. So choose to think about whatever is true, whatever is honorable, whatever is right, whatever is lovely, whatever is admirable. If anything is excellent or praiseworthy, think on these things. I am highly focused on the steps I must take to achieve my goals daily. You are worthy. I allow myself to express confidence, competence, positivity, and worthiness. I trust and value myself. I allow myself to be overflowing with loving kindness for myself and others without fear and in perfect harmony with divine timing. I am happy and express my happiness freely wherever I go. I allow myself to smile more at others and myself, especially when I look in the mirror. My smile, held for 7 seconds,